Please subscribe to the Eyes of Owen.
Owen, I love you too much. Huh? I love you long time. You will forget me.
Now then, where are we? I'm heading to take my granddaughter for a walk, and then granddaughter number one, granddaughter number two has got a health check today, so I'm taking granddaughter number one out of the way. Changing the subject, in my last video I explained how you could help me to get my watch hours back by clicking a playlist that I've created. Well, I want to thank all the people who've clicked on it. It's helped me, but it's not enough. I need more to get them watch hours. So if anybody who hasn't, or even if you have, could you do it again? Every little helps. It'd be much appreciated. And there's a figure since my last video. Thank you very much. What have you got there? A bus?
Yeah.
I'm 22 hours into my fasting. Feel alright. Been drinking a lot of water. Easy. The hardest part will be when I go to bed tonight, but I'll get through that. I was going to make my way today up to the lakes, but it'd have been too difficult if you're doing a bit of walking on an empty stomach. So I'll go in the morning if the weather's okay. It's a bit dull, but just want a little bit of sunshine to break through to make the photography a little bit better. So that's my plan. Grasmere and Rydal tomorrow morning. I'll get the train nice and early and make a day of it. Oh dear. Oh, at least it's not raining. I've just come off a bit of a fast. I stopped eating on Sunday evening, 6 o'clock, and I didn't eat anything until Tuesday morning, about 8 a.m. Never really felt that hungry. I obviously drank water and had tea and that, black tea and coffee. So I'm going to do that every week. I'm going to get into the habit of doing that every week, from Sunday to Tuesday morning, and then eat sensibly the rest of the week. Is it worth the faff? Oh, it frightens me to death. Oh, it frightens me to death, that. You think it's never going to light. Right, I'm sat sitting in my old man cave, first time for a long time, in the winter time. Obviously, things are warming up a little bit now. I just wandered around my old garden and, oh, the things I've got to do to get on top of it. I've got a damaged fence. All the fence wants creosoting, which I should have done last year. I've got a fence over there that wants replacing and modifying. That's just a start. Then I've got a lot of weeding to do, a lot of pruning, a lot of wood to burn. But I don't mind burning the wood. I enjoy having a good bonfire. Now I've got this gas free, Mr. T. When there's only a little bit left in, he gives them to me so I can make a brew in my old man cave. I've got half a dozen of them up there. There they are. toiling away. Knock that off. Also this year I want to sort out my bird table situation so I can get some better photographs. That's crap. I want to try and make it more natural. Oh, lovely. Lovely. So that's what I'm going to do. But it's very, very difficult to motivate myself at the moment with the drab weather. I was going to go to the lakes today on my own, on the train and the bus. I was going to go to Grasmere and do some photography, but it's just too dull. So I thought to myself, so should I go Thursday? I've got my granddaughter. Never enough time. In my last video I put up last week, called a gut clot, I asked in it if any of you could give me some suggestions of where to go in Thailand. And I've got quite a few replies. Very soon I'm going to collate all that information, put it into Google Maps, save the locations, and then make myself a plan. Enough waffling. So have a quick look around the garden and then get in, get my pyjamas on, get on my big chair and watch a bit of TV. I'm going to show you something now, what it's come to. Get my pyjamas on, 5 to 3 in an afternoon. Where did it all go wrong? Yeah, so that didn't go in there. Stop going on, son. So that's it. That is it. Let's get my stuff in here. Get my cup. Where's my phone? That's my phone. Until next time, thanks for watching another riveting vlog, and it's over and out. It's raining again. It's done nothing but rain these last 3 days. So that's the lakes out of the window, unless it brightens up tomorrow. Anyway, I'm off to get an eye test, free on the NHS because I'm a pensioner. Hey, who'd have thought it? Who'd have thought? Yeah, recently I've been sitting in my big chair watching the TV and looking at comments and stuff like that on Facebook and whatever, and the writing is becoming blurred. I've got glasses for reading, but in the distance, far, whatever it's called, it's alright, but now it's becoming a little bit blurred. So I'm going to get my eyes tested. Race against time. I was dithering. I should have set off about 10 minutes ago, but I'll make it. I'll make it. Do you ever do this? You tie your boots and off you go, trotting away, and then one of them is tighter than the other and it's noisier. Currently my right foot isn't as tight as my left and it's annoying me, but it's too much of a faff to bend down and fasten it. Well, I can't with my knees, I won't be able to get back up. So I've got to find a low wall to put my foot on to tighten it up. I've started buying spring water. Why are you buying spring water, I can hear you saying, when you can get it free out of the tap? Well, it's kidology. I've got to try and drink more water daily, and that helps me do that. Pour it into my little container, keeps it nice and cool, and sit there and drink it from here. So I'll drink with 2 litres of water. If it's tap water, I don't do it. It's just got that bit of a taste to it, and it's chlorine. So it's helping me on my quest to lose weight. Kidology. Another little way to trick your little brain. Well, I've been mucking about with this bird table. As you can see, I took that fence panel out yesterday. I've simplified it. Hopefully the birds will sit on this branch for a little bit and then go up to where the food is. That's my plan. And then in the summertime I'll put some water on there and a few seeds to attract them. I just had a mess about for an hour or so, but now it's time to get in and relax, put my feet up. I don't know if my granddaughter's coming around today or my 2 granddaughters, I'm not sure, but I'm going to put my feet up and relax, watch a bit of TV, a bit of YouTube, and I'm also going to watch the movie Nuremberg, which looks quite good. Has anyone else seen it? If they have, let us know. But from the trailers that I've seen, it looks good. Anyway, enough of this rubbish in the rain. Over and out. Look at the rosy red cheeks.